Welcome to this short demonstration of TuskTools Treeliner. You can use Treeliner to organize anything: writing projects, class notes, recipes, reference materials, and as we'll see in a minute, it makes a great foundation for a personal information manager. Let's take a closer look at Treeliner. When you first install Treeliner, it will start up a TuskTools sync process, which keeps a local copy of your Evernote information on your PC. Before running Treeliner, let the initial sync complete. You'll know it's done when it says idle on the tooltip of the system tray icon. This may take a while if you have a lot of notes in Evernote. After you see this, then you can launch Treeliner. The My Notes area contains your main notes outline. You can drag and drop a note anywhere within the tree. The yellow arrow means the item will be dropped as a sub-item. The blue curved arrow means the item will become a sibling of the item that you're pointing to. And if you hold the Shift key down and drag, you'll see you get an upward-facing arrow, and that means when you drop the item, it will become a sibling above the item that you're pointing to instead of below. You can edit the text of any item. This is the title of the item in Evernote, and that change will synchronize back to Evernote. As you add new notes to Evernote and they synchronize into Treeliner, they'll appear in the Scratchpad area. Drag and drop a note from the Scratchpad onto the main notes tree to add it to your main outline. You can think of the Scratchpad as a staging area for new notes, so you can see what's new and add it into your main notes area. The left-hand portion of the Treeliner window is used for filtering, which we'll explore further now. TuskTools Treeliner has a powerful set of filtering capabilities. You can choose to filter your notes by notebook. You can select one or more. You can filter by tag. And you can filter by note contents using the same syntax as you use within Evernote. In addition, the My Notes area has a quick filter row at the top. As you type, your notes are filtered by the characters that you type. If you just type the characters themselves, it will filter the beginning of the title string. An alternative is, if you type a %sign and then characters, it will find notes where those characters appear anywhere within the title string. If you want more powerful filtering than the quick filter row, click the Edit Filter button. This opens a window in which you can construct just about any type of filter that you want. Here we have all of my notes containing the word iPhone or the word Android. Treeliner introduces the concept of item types for your Evernote notes. You can set an item to be one of a variety of different item types. These are a folder, project, action that you have to perform, action that you're waiting for someone else to get back to you on, an email, a document, or a note created by Evernote Hello or by Evernote Food. To set a note as a particular item type, simply right-click the note and select the item type from the list. I'll set this item to be a document. You can see the icon changes. Here's an example of item types. Here I have this item here is set as a project. Within that project, I have several folders, and within those folders, I have some Evernote notes. This item type feature lets you use Treeliner as the foundation of a powerful personal information manager. For example, in my BAA Notes notebook, I have it organized into folders for each client. If we look in the client, within that client folder, I have a project item, and within that project, I have this item here, which is indicated as a waiting for item type, so that means I'm waiting for the statement of work from Gloria Lopez, and here's an item that I have to do. This is an action. I've got to finalize the workshop modules. Combining the concepts of item types and filtering, I can filter by item type over here. So, for example, if I click Action, I can instantly see all of the things that I need to do, and if I click Waiting, I can immediately see all of the items and all of the actions where I'm waiting for someone else to get back to me. The ball's in their court. TuskTools Treeliner synchronizes all of its information, including outline positions and item types, with Evernote. While you can't see that information per se in Evernote itself, it means that you can run Treeliner on multiple PCs and everything will stay in sync on all of those locations. Treeliner currently runs on Windows, but may be expanded in the future to other platforms, including mobile devices. Thanks for watching this short demonstration.